Hi everyone, welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. I'm here to introduce you to the March card making kit. I'm going to be using the Sweetest Thing bundle. Let's head over to the stamp table and let me show you the completed cards that are part of this month's pre-cut kit. If you want your cards to look exactly like the ones I've created here, you're going to need to purchase the Sweetest Thing bundle, which is the stamp set and the coordinating framelit dies. I've also used the reversible Coastal Cabana and Granny Apple Green ribbon, as well as Memento ink and Granny Apple ink. Because these are outline images, I chose to use Stampin' Blends markers to color them in, but you can use whatever you choose. You'll make a total of 8 cards, 2 each of the designs that you see here. So you'll make one of each of these since they're a little bit different. This is just a fun gatefold for your card. I'll include the pre-cut cardstock and the designer series paper. You will need a big shot to do the die cutting or another die cutting machine that will accommodate these framelit dies. I'll be including also the scrap thick whisper white cardstock that will accommodate the Stampin' Blends, which are an alcohol-based marker, and also 2 of these, and finally 2 of these. I'll be including the designer paper and the pre-cut ovals that you see here. My card making kit is completely free with a qualifying order of $50 in product before shipping and tax. Now there are exclusive ordering dates. That would be March 13th through March 16th only, and you must use the exclusive kit host code. It's the only way that I know that you're entitled to the free pre-cut supplies. You'll receive your pre-cut supplies from me no later than March 23rd, and they are sent first class mail to the same address you've used for your order. Ordering is easy. You can order whatever you'd like. You can order exactly what I've shown you here, or you can choose other products of your liking. Substitute with what you have at home, or use exactly what I have used here. And since this is Stampin' Up's largest sale of the year, celebration, you're also entitled to a free product of your choice with your $50 product purchase. There are products in this book designated with a $50 product logo. You can choose any one of those items for free when you place your online order. If your order is $150 in product or more, do not use the host code so that you can redeem the free Stampin' Rewards products for yourself. But it is imperative that you let me know that that order was intended for the card making kit, otherwise I will have no way of knowing. Send me an email to the address listed here on the screen. To make stamping easy, you'll get a video tutorial that will walk you through stamping with me right from home. You can stop and start as often as you'd like, which will allow you to stamp at your own pace. You'll also receive a PDF tutorial with multiple pictures for each of the cards I've shown you here, step-by-step instructions, and a complete list of supplies and cutting dimensions, making it easy for you to duplicate these cards. For those of you that are interested in just the PDF tutorial, I do offer it over on my website, lisasstampstudio.com. Navigate to the Online Classes tab, and underneath the PDF tutorial library, you'll find the tutorial for these cards listed there. I hope that you will join me for the March card making kit, the Sweetest Thing bundle.